Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to do tasks in timebucks. Remember, timebucks is a platform where you can earn money by playing games, answering surveys, watching for ads, offers and more. Okay, so once you're on your website like that, you click on this icon here, then you click on earn. Okay, click on earn here. After click on earn, then you go down, click on tasks, then click on tasks again, then wait for it to load like that. Okay, after load like that, you come down here. You see these are tasks. Task number one say just watch video per minute. Okay, so you need to watch video. After watching this video, then you submit the screenshot as proof to show that you have already watched the video. For example, let me take you through this one. LinkedIn, follow LinkedIn. Okay, you click on view. After clicking on view, then you come here, click on that to confirm. Okay, after clicking on that to confirm it, then this is the tasks itself. It's open for you to start now. Okay, it's open like that for you to start now. You click on here, the given link. See, click on the given link, then follow the LinkedIn page, then take screenshot as proof. Okay, proof instructions, proof requirements, take a screenshot of the entire page as proof. Okay, so you click on the link here first to take you to the LinkedIn page. Okay, so this is the account you're supposed to follow in LinkedIn page. Okay, so you click on this one, follow. After following like that, now it is done already. You only need to take a screenshot of this page like this one. Take a screenshot like this. Take a screenshot like that. Okay, we edit our screenshot like this. After editing our screenshot like that, it is already done. Then you go back to our task, you paste this screenshot. Okay, then you come here, browse image. After click on browse image like that, click on browse image again, open your gallery. After opening your gallery, wait for it to load, then you click on this screenshot, the first one like that. This is the screenshot you're supposed to upload. Okay, you see here, upload complete. You see we followed the account already, so you see it's done. Now you come down here and click submit for approval like that. Okay, wait for it. You see your proof has been successfully submitted for approval. Your pending points have been increased. Okay, that's how we do it. Okay, guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. That's how we do tasks here. And if you have not yet registered to the timebucks account in my YouTube channel, you have the videos on how to do it. Okay, I will leave a link on the description of this video for you to register. Remember to register with Google. Okay, I have a video on how to register with Google. Registering with Google is what is recommended. Okay, thank you guys for watching.